Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Do you know that you can extract the audio in a video and use just the audio in your own video and make your video to sound amazing? This is possible using CapCut, and that is what I want to share with you in this video. How to extract the audio in a video and use just the audio and impute it in your own video and make your video sound so amazing. When I got to know about it, it blew my mind, and I believe it's something I should share with you, my beloved friends. And I'm sure you are interested to learn this. So stay to the end of this video, and this you will learn. Let's get into the video. Welcome back to my channel. So to extract the audio from a video and use just the audio in your own video using CapCut, all you need to do is to head over to your phone. I'm sure CapCut is already installed in your phone, so just head over to your phone and open CapCut. When you open CapCut, you will see new projects. Click on new project to import the video that you want to use in your project, and you want to add the audio from another video to this particular video. So that is the first thing you will do, is to import the particular video you want to use, and I'm going to add it to my timeline. By the time you add it to your timeline, the next thing you will do is to search for the video that has the audio that you want to extract the audio and add it to this particular video to make it sound better. So all you need to do is to go over to overlay. Here is overlay. Click on overlay and then click on overlay and search for the video that you want to use. I'll be using this particular video for this tutorial. So here is the video that I want to use. I will just add it, and you will see the sound and you see also the video. All I will do now is to remove the sound from this video, and then I can delete the video itself and retain the sound in my project and use the sound to make my video sound better. So all I need to do is to add this video to the timeline, and the next thing you are going to do is to locate extract audio in this CapCut video editor. So all you need to do is to scroll down. When you scroll down, you will look for extract audio, and this is extract audio. So the next thing you are going to do is to click on this extract audio. So click on this extract audio, and you have separated the audio from the video. The next thing you are going to do is to go back. You just go back, and you will see that the video has been separated from the audio. So all you need to do now is to delete the video, and then the audio will be in your timeline. So just click here and click on delete, and the video itself has been deleted. And then when you go back again, you will see the audio is in your timeline. And the next thing we are going to do is to play this video to see how it sounds. Now you're going to do this.
Hi guys.
You see now the audio is playing in my video. Maybe you have a video and you want to add some certain sound to that audio, but that sound that you want to add to that audio is in a video. This is how you can separate the video from the audio and use just the audio in your video. And this is the result that you will get when you do this. So the next thing you will do is, if this audio sound is very high, maybe you just want it to be a background sound, all you need to do is to click on this audio and click on volume and just reduce the volume. You just reduce the volume so that it will just be like a background sound. And then we're going to play it again.
Hi guys.
You see?
I'm sure
you'll be talking
to
and the audio is playing in the background.
But don't forget to
make
follow
your
this
video to be so amazing.
Value.
Guys, thank you for watching this video, And I'm sure you have gained value from this video. What do you have to say to me? Just like and share this video to 1, 2, 3, 4, as many people as possible. And don't forget to follow this page, because on this page, I'll be sharing more tips that will help you in your content journey. And I'm sure we are going to do this together. And I'll see you in the next video.